it's Miss Numrich. I have a YouTube channel now. Happy first day of virtual school. What we're going to do is we're going to read this story together as a class, and then you can use the story through the next few lessons to answer your comprehension questions. So our story is called Clarence Works for Money. That's the title of our book. The title tells us what the story will probably be about. Our author is Emily Weinberger. She's the person who writes the words, and it's illustrated by Alex Weishart. He draws the pictures. So here we go. Clarence wants a new toy truck. It costs $8. Clarence needs money to buy it. How can Clarence get money? Clarence can get money if he does chores. He can do chores at his house. Clarence can get $2 if he washes the car. He washes the car outside. Clarence gets $2. Clarence can get $2 more if he puts away the food. He puts the food on the shelves. Clarence gets $2 more. Clarence can get $2 more if he folds the clothes. He folds the clothes in the basket. Clarence gets $2 more. He can get $2 more if he washes the dishes. He washes the dishes in the sink. Clarence gets $2 more. Clarence can get $2 more if he takes out the trash. He takes the trash out to the trash can. Clarence gets $2 more. Clarence counts the money he got. He has $10 total. He has money to buy the toy truck. Clarence buys the new toy truck. He counts his money again. He still has some money left. What should Clarence do with his money? Should he buy something else? Should he save it for later? The end. Bye, guys.